Have you ever just had one of those days where you're like, I have failed at being a mom in every way possible today? So the only thing that feels like I can have any control or do good is clean my house. And that's what kind of day it was today. So hope you enjoy this clean with me after dark cleaning motivation. If it looks like I've had a long day, it's because I freaking have had like the longest, cruddiest day that I've probably had in a very long time. Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome to a Clean With Me After Dark video, the first cleaning video of Vlogmas. I hope that this gives you some cleaning motivation if you've had a long day or a long week. And if you're new here, I hope you hit that subscribe button, introduce yourself in the comments. I would love for you to connect on my other socials. I'm at Bits of Brie on Instagram and Twitter. Today I'm doing some straightening and decluttering. I've got a load of dishes to put away, a sink full of dishes to wash, and I want to do a clean of the kitchen, clean up the kids' craft room and our dining room, and I've seriously got to clean our floors. This way I can start the day fresh tomorrow because you will not believe the day that this was after. I'd gotten some really bad news about my dad, and my floors were filthy. You will hear why when I get to mopping the floors, but I know these days happen to all of us, so I hope that this inspires you to pick yourself up, tackle your to-do list, move forwards because you are amazing and you can make it through too. So how are you doing? I would love to hear how you're doing this holiday season in the comments. Are you enjoying Vlogmas so far? Let me know. It's the first year I've done it, and a little bit of a teaser. If you like big messes getting cleaned up, just wait because I made a promise to myself. I'm finally tackling our garage. I cannot take it anymore. So that will be coming soon. You do not want to miss this. It's disgusting. Honestly, I don't even think you will believe that it is my garage. But for Vlogmas, we're also having a word scramble contest. So in every video, there will be letters of the day revealed. Here they are. So go back to Vlogmas Day 1, keep track of these letters, unscramble them, and on the Christmas vlog, we'll have a link where you can submit your entry. The winner will get over $1,000 in prizes. There's a $500 Amazon gift card, $500 Spa Finder gift card, a $100 credit to Grove Collaborative. That's where I basically get all of my cleaning supplies, so you can stock up for the new year. And if you enjoy my cleaning videos, I would really appreciate it if you shared them on your socials. And again, make sure that we're friends on Instagram and Twitter so that we can stay connected. And I'm so excited to share my shout out of the day, Amy Darley. She is such a sweet woman. I love her farmhouse style. She has incredible cleaning videos. She has great decor videos on her channel, so I know you will love her, and I will have her channel linked down below so that you can check her out. And if you like the shirt I'm wearing in this video, I have an exciting announcement. 2019 pre-orders for merch like this one are available on my Etsy shop. So check out the links in the description box if you'd like to place an order for January 2019. Thank you so much for those of you who've already ordered something. I'm blown away and could not be more grateful for all of the love and support. Thank you. did I mention that my kid peed twice all over the floor and proceeded to like stomp around in circles, leaving pee prints all across this floor? That's why I'm using Lysol. It's just one of those days. All right, today's comment of the day is from Marie Dana. Sorry if I'm not saying that correctly, Marie, but I've started watching your videos a couple days ago and I'm already in love with them. You are such a real mom and I love that. Keep doing you, love you. And thanks for saying that. I think, honestly, as a mom in the social media world, there are so many different momming styles, and I just try to be me, and I know that I am far from perfect, but I try to share the high points in the hope that they inspire you. That was even intentionally why I named my Instagram and my Twitter Bits of Brie, because I just was trying to share like the good bits or the fun bits or the inspiring bits. And I would just say to every mom, like, I hope that you're never afraid to show the real side of yourself, or to do the things that truly make you happy, or do the things that feel good and that you just don't feel pressure to have to keep up with anyone else. So thanks, Marie. I loved reading that comment and love you back. And in case you're wondering, the cleaning supplies that I use in this video, I'm obsessed with the Mrs. Meyers Peppermint Multi-Surface Spray, and I use the Almond Wood for Good Cleaner and wood polish for my wood tables. Okay, and today's inspirational quote: "Don't count the days, make the days count." Muhammad Ali. I feel like that needs to be my mantra on these days, counting down to Christmas, is try to put that stress aside and literally just enjoy every single day, because every day truly is a gift. All right, make sure you're subbed and that your notifications are turned on. A lot of people have said suddenly they weren't getting notifications, so just want to make sure you know when my videos go live. But know that until Christmas, there's a new video every day at 8 a.m. and that's Eastern time. So I will see you in tomorrow's video, 8 a.m. Be there, be square. Merry Vlogmas, Merry Christmas. Bye, loves.